Katrina here, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be looking at the chain rule. So you might be wondering why you need to know the chain rule. Well, it's actually a crucial element in calculus that will help you find the derivatives of functions that are a little bit more complicated than the ones that we're usually used to seeing. So chain rule helps us find the derivative of a composite function. And you might ask, well, what is a composite function? A composite function is a function that exists within another function. So typically, we'd have some function f of x, right? Where x is our independent variable. However, when we have a composite function, instead of simply having x, we're going to have a whole function g of x within its place. So the chain rule, you can kind of think of it as an onion. We're peeling back the layers of the function, layer by layer, so that we can take the full derivative. So let's look at some mathematical notation for this. So say we have some function f of x, and it's a composite function, like we mentioned. It's f of g of x. So to take the derivative of this function, what we have to do is we have to take the derivative of the outside function, then we keep the inside function the same, and then we multiply by the derivative of the inside function. So again, we take the derivative of the outside function, keeping the inside the same, multiplied by the derivative of the inside function. Let's look at an example to clear this up. And I promise you it's going to be nice and easy. So let's consider our function equals to 3 times x to the power of 5 plus 10. But here's the catch. This whole function is to the power of 9. You have one choice here. You could either decide to expand all of this out to the power of 9, expand this crazy binomial, or you can use your second choice, and that is to use the chain rule directly. So we see that we have this outside function. You can kind of think of this brackets to the power of 9 as our outside function, and this part in the inside here, the 3x to the power of 5 plus 10 as our inside function. So let's follow the equation or the formula for the chain rule to solve the derivative for this equation. So the first thing that we're going to do, so we're taking the derivative, is we're going to take the derivative of the outside function using power law. So that means that the 9 is going to come in front, and then remember the inside stays the same. So we still have 3x to the power of 5 plus 10, and then this is going to be all to the power, here we go. This is all to the power of 9 minus 1, following our product rule, following our power rule. So we've done the outside function. Now we have to go and take the derivative of our inside function. So that will give us 15x to the power of 4 plus 0, because the derivative of a constant is always 0. And that's it. So we learned how we can use the chain rule here to peel back the layers of our function and simply end up with the derivative of a composite function. If you found this video interesting, please drop a like and comment any questions that you have. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to follow more fun and exciting math videos, and I look forward to seeing you next time.